you gonna get rid of some clothes today? Yes. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a declutter on my kids' closet because it needs it. I hate half their clothes. Half their clothes are like stained and ugly. And like seriously, look at this. Like, can you see that stain? It's so gross, and yet there are so many clothes, they're like piling out of their closets. Yeah, you wanna talk too? So Lucy and Leon are gonna be helping me with this probably, because they help me with most projects around here. If you like decluttering and organizational videos, give this video a thumbs up, and we're gonna dive right in. Up top here are where some of my shoes are, and then Leon's clothes are on the right and Lucy's clothes are on the left. As you can see by the tags, they're kind of outdated. These tags are back when Lucy was just born, so about a year old. So I think I'm gonna go to a hanging system and get the clothes out of these bins. So we started by getting Lucy dressed. I think this is just the cutest little retro jacket there. As you can see, Leon needs some help with his clothes selection. What are you wearing there, Bumblebee boy? What are you wearing there, huh? I'm just gonna do one kid at a time instead of taking out all the clothes all at once. So these are all Lucy's clothes, every single piece she owned. I recently did all the laundry, so I know that this is what she has. And I'm just gonna sort through things that are stained, things that are too small, and things that fit her. I'm not even gonna go through whether it brings me joy or not. We're just gonna stick to those two qualifications for now. So these are the clothes that I'm going to be keeping in storage, but not in her closet. So as you can see, there's just a lot of cute spring and summer stuff here. Some of this she's outgrown, but it's still in really good shape. This little dress here I used to wear, which is fun, but I'm not gonna be getting rid of any of this stuff. I'm just going to be putting it out in storage because, as you can see by looking outside, this is not the weather to be wearing a summer dress in. These are going to be the clothes that I'm throwing straight in the trash. I'm not even giving these away because, as you can see, they have been worn to shreds. Like this, both these items have holes in them, and a lot of them have gotten really stained. There was a period of time when I ran out of spray and wash, which is like a spot treatment, and as you can see, some of these outfits really, really suffered. This is Lucy's new wardrobe. These are all the things I'm going to be keeping. Here are her hair bows. I'm going to be taking those downstairs, and those are her socks. These are two cute little jumpers or jumpsuits, I guess, overalls. And then I'm going to be keeping 6 pairs of sweats. So these little leggings cover basically every color she should need to mix and match. These are the 4 pairs of tights I'm keeping, a knitted pair, a plain white pair, and then her little gray and pink ones. These are the 3 dresses that are still cute that she fits in. So that gold one's really fancy. I love this vintage one. It's something that I used to wear, and Lucy looks so cute in it. And then I'm also going to be keeping this pink one. That'll be a nice transition dress into spring. And then these are the little tops I'm keeping for Luce. I love these turtlenecks. Again, they're pretty retro, but I think they're so cute. I sewed that gray sweater for her. This has one stain, but I'm gonna keep it. And that white knitted sweater on the end, someone actually made for her. really excited to transfer to a hanging system because I think it just makes the clothes look so much more minimalistic, I guess. And it's easier to see what you have. Eventually, I'm probably going to get bins that match, but for now I found this that I had on hand, and I'm just going to store all her little leggings in it, folding them with the KonMari style of folding. And in this, I'm just going to put her socks and tights. So as you can see, she just has way less stuff now, and it looks like way less stuff. I'm able to breathe looking at her clothes. So now I'm going to go ahead and attack Leon's side of the equation here. Leon was pretty cute here. He was very helpful and held up his hands so that I could hold shirts up to him. And here he jumped his pants right off. So I'm not going to be keeping the yellow shirt he was wearing earlier. This shirt is so cute, but it's stained, and I've never actually put Leon in either of these shirts. They were given to him, but I just don't iron his clothes. Leon isn't as hard on his clothes as Lucy is, and these are super cute spring and summer outfits, so I'm going to keep these on hand again too. I think some of these he will fit into this summer, and so these are all going to go out in storage. I kept 3 pairs of pajamas for Leon. These are all really small and lightweight, which is nice. And then I kept this little t-shirt and these sweats in case he just wants like a cozy sweatsuit outfit. This white shirt is for special occasions, and then I love seeing him in every single one of these shirts. The sweaters can totally be dressed up or down, and he wears this gray, blue, and this white one regularly. This one was also handmade for him, and it's the matching one to Lucy's white sweater. Here he has 1 pair of about every color of pants that he would need, and the khakis and the black corduroys he could use to dress up. Or he could use either one of these overalls that I've made him. One's a bib overall, and the other one just has suspenders. I didn't have any more small hangers, so I'm gonna have to get those for Leon because I don't want to stretch out the necks of his shirts. But for today, I'm gonna just hang his shirts on my regular hangers. Again, using the Marie Con or Kondo Marie or Marie Kondo, I never really know how to say it, but that method of folding, I'm going to put all of his pants in here and his overalls, and then I'm also going to put in his pajamas and his little sweatsuit. Here I'm storing his dress shoes and a pair of extra sneakers. The rest of his shoes are stored downstairs. Wow, you guys, I absolutely love how this looks. To me, it's just so refreshing. It's so easy to see where each item is that the kids own. It's so nice to know that none of them are stained. It's also super easy if Elisha needs to come up here and pick out some clothes. Like I mentioned before, I probably will end up getting matching bins under here and skip the cardboard, but cardboard is just a great transitional organizer I found for those days when you want to get something done, but you don't have the correct organizational pieces to do it. And these little bins do the trick. Here are the clothes that I'm getting rid of in this pile on the left. And here are the right are the clothes that are just out of season or too small, and those are going to go into storage. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and helping give me the motivation to finally organize and declutter the kids' closet. Again, there's a lot of things that I could do here to make it better, but I think we did the first 80% for sure. Like, when I walk past here, it just brings me so much joy, and I think it's gonna give me a lot of inspiration for coming up with their spring wardrobe, which will be really fun. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, again, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye.